Let's explore iteration in AI, one of the most powerful concepts that makes artificial intelligence actually work. Just like we learn through trial, error, and improvement, AI systems get better by repeating this same cycle thousands of times. Iteration drives everything in AI development, from training models and testing them to fine-tuning their performance until they work just right. The mathematical foundations behind iteration give us precise ways to improve AI step by step. Gradient descent starts with an initial guess, makes repeated adjustments based on errors, and gradually finds the best answer, like rolling a ball downhill to the lowest point. This formula shows exactly how it works. We take our current position, calculate which direction improves things most, then take a small step that way. The learning rate controls everything: how big each step is, how fast we converge, and how accurately we reach the solution. Iteration isn't just for training models, it's also how we interact with AI through prompting. You give an initial prompt, check the AI response, adjust your prompt based on what you got, and keep refining until you get better output. This creative control lets you shape the style, tone, and length of what AI produces, putting you in the driver's seat. Ethics and safety in AI depend heavily on iteration too. Through repeated testing, developers discover biases and fix problems before release, creating safer AI systems we can trust. Fairness, reliability, and ethics work together as the core values we achieve through careful, iterative testing. Human-AI collaboration thrives on iteration, creating a partnership where both sides contribute. Humans provide feedback, AI adjusts its output, and this loop continues until we reach our goal together. A designer's vision comes to life as AI tools generate drafts, iterate through versions, and finally produce the perfect image. Real-world applications show iteration at work across every industry using AI. Game developers test character behaviors, healthcare systems train on patient data, chatbots refine responses, and artists perfect their prompts, each field iterating in its own way. Here are the key takeaways about iteration's role in artificial intelligence. Iteration connects everything. Repeating processes, improving performance, adjusting parameters, and ensuring ethical safety all stem from this one fundamental principle. Iteration means repeating a process to improve results, the foundation of AI learning and optimization.